Okay, the water line is way up here. Rust everywhere, floors are shot, windows broken. This is gonna take months just to strip down. All right, front end is secure. Checking the frame mounts now. Working on the rear panel, almost done. All right, transmission's in, time to button her up. Torque everything down, quick check, solid.
New shocks, springs, and control arms installed. Bushings and steering are next. Faster, guys, let's get it done. Done.
Keep it steady, looking good. Right there. Grab the fuel lines. Tanks are in, lines are connected, drainage is good to go.
Feed it through the loom. Connect the terminals. Testing circuit 5.
Excellent. The panels are secure. Good job. Let's test the lights now. Fantastic. The lighting looks perfect.
From total despair to perfection. See you in the next restoration.